If you're modeling without wireframe mode on, you're essentially designing blind. And that's where most modeling errors come from. Wireframe is turned off, you're only seeing surfaces and materials. Hidden overlaps, gaps, and misalignments stay invisible. Now let's turn wireframe mode on. What you're seeing now is the actual geometry, the real structure behind the design. This instantly reveals overlaps, floating panels, incorrect snapping, and unwanted gaps that materials usually hide. Wireframe mode also helps you align and snap elements precisely using real edges instead of visual assumptions. Most importantly, for production-linked models, clean geometry is critical because what you model here directly impacts outputs like cut lists. Wireframe mode isn't just a viewing option, it's a safety check that helps you model accurately, confidently, and without costly errors. Now go turn on your wireframe on